Namaste to all dear warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to stock level problems, and in this problem, as we did question number 1 earlier in the video, that is important one. Similarly, one more question is there where information given is little bit more observable one, so that we need to get the information from them. Okay, on the basis of that you will calculate the stock levels. So let us see the specific information question. Okay, so here also information given is very important, so observing the information also very important in this question. So I don't want to waste any more time. Let us go to the question number 2. B22 question number 2 we are dealing. Okay, so the usage forecast of a particular consumption material shown as January 13,300, February 13,000, March 13,700, April 14,800, May 16,000, June 16,200 units. It normally takes 1 month from the date of ordering to secure this material. So reordering period is how many months? It takes 1 month from the date of order to secure the material required. आप ऑर्डर करें तो उसके बाद 1 मंथ में क्या हो जाएगा? It will take 1 month from the date of order. So this will be your reorder period. Okay, the ordering point to be established during the forecast period we need to calculate. Okay, computation of showing minimum stock to carry. What is your minimum stock level? He is asking minimum stock level. Okay, and computation of showing maximum inventory if standard ordering quantity. Standard ordering quantity is nothing but your reordering quantity, ROQ. Okay, that is the standard they are following at 15,000 units. If your ROQ is at 15,000 unit, what is your maximum stock level? This is what they are asking. One, minimum stock level. Next, reorder point, that is ROL. The questions is asking in different way. Reorder point means ROL, minimum stock level, minimum stock to carry, and showing maximum inventory. Inventory means stock only if standard reordering quantity, that is ROQ, is 15,000 units. So this is the information. Here also one thing, usual time 1 month, reorder period, and what is your minimum stock, what is your maximum stock consumption, and what is your average stock consumption. That is what we need to see. Now from the information of consumption from January to June, what is your highest consumption? 13,000, 13,300, 13,700, 14,800, 16,000 and 16,200. So highest consumption, this is maximum consumption during the period. So this is maximum consumption in the month of June. Okay, then what is your minimum consumption? Least consumption is February 13,000. This will be your minimum consumption. Okay, we need to identify these things in the question. And average means total all these and divide by how many months are there? January, February 1, January 1, February 2, March 3, April 4, May 5 and June 6 months. So total divided by total consumption divided by 6 months, you will get average consumption or normal consumption. So this is how information is given and it should be interpreted. If you understood till here, remaining question can be easily solved. So those who are understood the question, solve the problem. Those who didn't yet understood how to solve the problem, they can watch the video till the end. Better everyone watch till the end. After watching the video, solve by yourself, okay, without copying from the वीडियो नोट्स स्क्रीनशॉट लेके उससे अच्छा आप खुद करो, पहले वीडियो देखो. एंड आई एम नॉट टेकिंग मच टाइम, वी विल फिनिश इन 10 to 15 minutes each, because I know this is crucial time for you all. Okay, let us see the answer. So we are dealing question number 2, B22, working notes. First we need to calculate average consumption or normal consumption of material. So January month we are having 13,300, February 13,000, March 13,700, April 14,800, May 16,000, June 16,200. Total units consumed is 87,000. If you add all this, you will get 87,000. And number of months 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many months? 6. So divide by 6 months, A by B, average consumption is equals to 14,500 units. 87,000 divided by 6, 14,500, that is your average consumption or normal consumption. Hope working note 1 you have understood. Let us see the remaining working notes one by one. So time required to secure the order of month given in the question is, after the order is 1 month. How many months? 1 month. So reordering period 1 month. From the above information, it is clearly evident that minimum consumption was in February 13,000. Maximum consumption was in the month of June 16,200. So next, standard reordering quantity, that is ROQ, is 15,000 units. These will be considered while solving the answer. So please be careful and use these things. Let us see the answer part. First thing in the question he is asking reorder point. Reordering point. So what is your reordering point to be established during the forecast period? Reordering level is okay, or ROL. ROL is equals to maximum consumption into maximum lead time. So maximum consumption given in the question working note 2, we have taken 16,200 in the month of June. It is there maximum consumption and maximum reordering period. From the date, if you order, it will take 1 month, they are saying. So 1 month will be the your usual time or maximum time, minimum time, or any other thing. So 16,200 into 1, 16,200 units will be your answer here. One is done. Next, B point. What they are saying in the B point, minimum stock to be carried. So minimum stock to be carried will be, minimum stock to be carried, B point will be, or minimum stock level will be ROL minus normal consumption during the period. So 16,200 units. Normal consumption in units we given in the working note 1, 14,500. So you will get 16,200 minus 14,500. If you multiply with 1 also, you will get the same thing. So directly normal consumption is calculated in working note 1. So directly I am taking normal consumption. So 7,200 units is your minimum stock to be carried. Next, maximum stock level. Okay, in the question they are saying maximum stock level if standard quantity ordering quantity is 15,000, that is ROQ equals to 15,000, what will be your answer for maximum stock level? ROL plus ROQ minus minimum consumption during the period. Working note 2, minimum consumption during the period is in the month of February 13,000. So 16,200 units plus 15,000 units minus 13,000. 31,200 minus 13,000 will be 18,200 units will be your answer. Okay, maximum stock level. So A, B, C, 3 have been done. So observe the question properly and interpret them. You will get the answer. So tricky questions too, there may be chance of asking like these questions also. So when you are preparing a particular chapter, only one chapter material I am preparing, so I need to prepare entire chapter of material. Okay, material chapter entirely I need to prepare, both problems as well as theory. You need to learn theory and problems, otherwise there will be a big problem in the exam hall. Sir, theory questions क्या पढ़ना है? There are theory questions relating to FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, okay, price issue methods, okay, base stock method, specific price method, standard price method, like that. In textbook one theory question is there, that one. And techniques, inventory techniques used to control the inventory, ABC analysis, weight analysis, just in time purchase, ABC analysis, weight analysis, just in time purchase, JIT, and fast moving, slow moving, non moving one is there. And similarly EOQ, the stock levels comes under this only. So like this inventory controlment measures, there are certain answer in the textbook given. You need to write all these things, and if you learn all these things, one will come as a short question also. So material, difference between direct material and indirect material, one question is there. So don't just prepare problems, prepare the theory also. There is one more question called perpetual inventory system. Okay, sometimes you will ask that question also. So in material you will be having 4 theory questions it seems, and stock level problems, minimum, maximum, reorder level, danger level, average level, that one. FIFO, LIFO, weighted average price methods with the adjustments, and simple average weight problem, as well as one more base stock method problem is there, that one you need to do. Okay, these are the problems may be asked in the material chapter. So I don't want to waste any more time. Let me conclude the video. सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए। and if you like the video, give a thumb to the video as a like, and share it to with your friends, because sharing is caring. अपने को ही नहीं, दोस्तों को भी मार्क्स आना है. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Just that's it. Jai Hind.